How you guys doing today? We here in the garage working on the SC. Finally, I am gonna tackle this demon to put it back on the road. As you can see, we do have the car completely disassembled. Look at that. Wow. What a shame to see it like this. But we are working on this project. Actually, I'm gonna start on it today. We did took out the engine. I'm gonna go over the issues that we had in this engine. The clutch couldn't hold the power we were trying to do. The delivery of the power, it was excessively too much for this clutch. This is a brand new clutch. Brand new clutch that we put on. Right here, we have a crack. We have another crack here. What happened is this clutch, as you can see the color of the metal, it overheated excessively. The clutch is not holding the power we need to. It's a twin disc. As you can see, look at that. Heating it up too much. Look at this. Right there is a crack. Right here is another crack. Look how far that one is. I'm going to use it for like, say, maybe a week or so. A few runs. I don't know if you can see that crack there too. Anyway, what we're definitely looking into right now is going to get a new clutch. As you know, clutches are not cheap. And then we will be spending more money on a new clutch, triple disc. Same company, probably. We'll be taking the block apart, and we are going to be polishing the crank. Not perfect, not that bad. I don't know, let me see if I can get a better angle. There you go. We'll be polishing the crank. We'll put it back together. I'm debating if we are going to go and get mains done to this to support a little bit more of the power that we are making. As you go, remember, this is a street car. This is not a track car. We don't need to run 9 seconds or anything like that. But it is a street car with AC, drivability. Today, we are going to be tackling to try to get the block bare off that we could rebuild this block. Basically, we're going to be working on building a more efficient 1,000 horsepower street car. I don't know if it's possible, but we're definitely going to give it a try. You guys can see, here's the car. It's fully disassembled. Look at that, the whole garage full of parts. Exhaust, manifold. And I do have a security guard helping me out here all the time. Say hi, Duchess. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, Duchess. That is my dog. I will be having somebody also helping me. You guys know who it is. TD Performance. Shout out to TD Performance. Always helps out. Well, let's tackle those few things now. Let's take these motor mounts apart. We are going to be building hopefully a 1,000 horsepower engine here. If we got really close to it, it's pretty close at the crank. We just want to be more reliable, and that's the key, and that's the issue I want to push. Reliability, enjoying it every day. Gear to this engine management system. Having so much power down at one time is scary. Back again, continuing the project of the 2J, trying to get to the 1,000 horsepower range. Hopefully we'll get there soon. Anyway, this is how far we are right now. We had to take out the damper. Those are really pain in the ass to take off. I did have to use a special tool to take it off. It was impossible without it. So it was gonna be easier. As you can see, we took out the oil filter is that. Let's explain the situation here. One of the biggest issues I had, this was not holding the power. And let's not mention it, this was a brand new clutch. That was one of the reasons this had to be taken apart. You saw how hard it got. You guys have no idea how hard it was to take this damper off this damn car. We did get it done. This is the tool we use. Get anywhere in advance or a good friend. I decided to go to a good friend. But you get them in advance. We'll be taking back this crank. As you can see, the bearings are just lightly scratched. The crank is still good, but we'll be getting repolished. We'll be taking out the oil pump. After that, the head. We'll be getting the head redone. The issue that I was really having, guys, as you see these lobes, it's supposed to have a clearance between here, actually here, when there's no lift on it, between here and the valves. But unfortunately, I was having zero clearance and it was making a little bit loud noise. And then we'll readjust that cam and get that done. Also had a little of an issue here. I don't know if you guys can hear it. You can barely hear it, but when it's in the car, it's quite loud. It does have a little oil leak in the adapter. It'll be easy to fix. Let's open the garage so we see more light. Check out my assistant. Sit, stay. Good girl. You gonna help me? And pass me the tools? So what? So what? Show me. Show me. Good girl. Wow, this is heavy. Engine bay. Took everything out, as you can see. Haven't been worked out for a while, then it's kind of dirty. We do have the auto control bumper here, as you can see, just chilling. Maybe by tomorrow you will see the block by itself. Next video that I'll have edited into this will be completely the block. And hopefully I'll show you how I take the head off. Chance to show you how to take this damper off. Just told you it was a pain in the ass. You do have to kind of little heat it up and use the tool, otherwise it doesn't move. And hopefully soon, in the next few months or so, we'll have the car running again with a brand new clutch, polished crank, and a fresh tool. Taking it down to the wheels. Check all that stuff I've been taking off, motor mounts, my massive turbo, Warner, or Warner. You guys want to hear why my exhaust sounds so nice? There it is, the exhaust. Also some of the issues that I was having, I couldn't get to the power level that I need to. And one of the reasons we couldn't get higher boost than what we wanted to, we need a stronger spring. Too much power, we need a stronger spring. We maxed out, then we're going to be changing that also to get a little bit more strength to the wastegate so we could keep it closed for a little bit longer to creep up to at least another 5-7 pounds of boost so we the power where we need to be at. If you guys have any comments or anything you want to know more about the SC build, let me know. Alright, gentlemen and ladies, I am out.
Everybody get smoked, dummy. Everybody get smoked, dummy. Yeah, Look, I'm aiming straight for the jugular, fuck it up. Everybody finna talk what they want. Know that they stating the formula for me, but I talk a lot when I gotta be blunt. Ain't talking fast when I send it text out. Check the connection and lead the rest out. Speaking into this shit, got the best out.